Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller. If you're interested in the Aqua10, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, to find the vacuum bag, we have a cover we have to remove right here. There's two arrows pointing down. That's going to guide you to a handle. So you just gently pull it out and away from the station. That reveals our vacuum bag right here that we need to remove. So to do that efficiently and easily, we have it right there. So grab on this handle here, pull to remove. You might have the lid stuck a little bit too. No big deal. You can just pull that cover. That's going to keep all the contents and dust and debris inside versus spilling out when you're trying to remove or handle the bag. So take the old bag, dispose of it. Take your new bag right here. You'll line everything up and it just slots right down in place. That goes right over there and you're all set and ready to go to put the cover back on. And the cover only goes on one way, so the larger rectangle is going to be for the vacuum bag side. That's going to be for your solution tank side. You just gently press the cover right back on. And there you have it. We have successfully swapped out the vacuum dust bag on the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller.